So, hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So, guys, in today's video, we are going to talk about this problem. In this video, we'll see how we can hide the quantity selector inside the cart for any specific product. So, guys, here they've given this problem: hide the quantity picker in the cart for a specific product. That means they sell some printable items, and for certain products, they want to hide the quantity selector. There are many products on Shopify that we sell, and we want the quantity selector not to be visible on the cart page. So, in this case, how can we solve this problem, and how can we hide the quantity selector on the cart? So, guys, we'll see this in today's video, and I'll show you practically how you can hide the quantity selector on your cart page for any specific product. So, let's move forward with the video and go to our store's admin. I'll open my store's admin here. So, guys, after opening the store's admin, the first thing you should do is duplicate your theme. Then, make the changes on the duplicated theme. Otherwise, you might face issues with your live theme. I've already created a duplicate here, so I don't need to do it again. I have several duplicated themes here, so I can work on any of them. I'll work on the one with the Dawn Progress Bar theme, which is the Flash Dawn theme I've added recently. So, guys, the first thing you need to do is click on the three dots you see here and open your code editor. So, I'll open the code editor from here. Once the code editor is open, you'll see all the code files related to your theme here. You'll see different folders: layout, templates, sections, blocks, snippets, config, assets, locales. These are all folders related to your theme's code. So, guys, the task we need to do is on the cart page. We need to hide the quantity selector on the cart page for a specific product. To edit the cart page, we first need to check how our cart is opening in the store. Right now, our cart is opening as a drawer. If I show you, when I open the cart from here, it opens as a drawer. So, the changes we need to make will be in the cart drawer file. If I search for cart drawer here, you can see there's a snippet called cartdrawer.liquid. So, I'll open this file, and the changes I need to make will be inside this file to hide the quantity selector for a specific product in the cart drawer. The first thing you need to do is find where the quantity selector, which is added to the cart, is located in the code. As soon as you open this file, you can search for quantity. So, guys, when you search for quantity, you'll see this, the quantity popover. Inside the quantity popover, you'll also find the quantity selector and the remove button, the delete icon. Let me show you by adding a product to the cart. If I add this product to the cart, you can see the quantity selector is visible here, along with a delete button. If I inspect it to check where it's coming from, you'll see it's inside the quantity popover. If I copy this and search for it in the code, you can see the quantity popover starts here, and inside it is our quantity input and the remove, delete button. If you also want to hide the delete button, you'll need to write the code above the quantity popover. But if you only want to hide the quantity selector, I'll show you where to write the code. So, guys, I only want to hide the quantity selector, not the delete button. If you want to hide the delete button, you'll need to write the code above the quantity popover. But if you only want to hide the quantity selector, you can use the same code I'm writing. To hide the quantity input, I'll inspect the quantity input here. You'll see there's a tag called quantity input. I'll copy this quantity input and paste it here. You can see this is where our quantity selector code starts. This is the quantity input code that's visible in our cart. So, we need to hide it for a specific product. Let's see how we can do that. So, guys, I'll add a condition here. The condition will be that whenever a product contains a specific tag, the quantity selector for that product will be hidden. Let me show you how to do that. I'll add a condition above the quantity input using unless. The condition will be that if a product contains a specific tag, the quantity selector for that product will be hidden. So, I'll write %unless item.product.tags contains hide %. And I'll close it with %end unless %. So, I've added a condition that if any product contains a tag named hide, the quantity input that's appearing will be hidden. Now, whenever a product with the hide tag is added to the cart, the quantity selector for that product will be hidden. Let's see how this works. If I preview this and open a product, let's say I open this product and add it to the cart, nothing will change yet. You can see the quantity selector is still visible because this product doesn't have the hide tag we specified in the condition. So, I need to add that tag to this product. I'll copy the product's title, open the product in the admin, and add the hide tag. I'll paste the hide tag here and save it. Now the hide tag is added to this product. Now, if I add this product to the cart again, let me first delete it from the cart. If I add it to the cart now, you'll see the quantity selector is hidden for this product because we added the hide tag. But the delete button is still visible because I didn't add a condition for the delete button. If you want to hide the delete button as well, you can add the same condition above the quantity popover. So, guys, this is how you can hide the quantity selector. If I add another product to the cart, let's see if the quantity selector is hidden for that product too. Suppose I add this product to the cart. You can see the quantity selector is visible for this product, but it's hidden for the product with the hide tag. So, this is how you can hide the quantity selector for a specific product based on tags. Now, what we've done is hide the quantity selector in the cart drawer. But some people redirect users to the cart page after adding a product to the cart. If you want to hide the quantity selector on the cart page, there's a file in the code called maincartitems.liquid. When you open this file, you'll find the quantity input tag. You need to add the same condition we wrote earlier above this tag. So, if you add the unless condition with the tag here, it will work for the main cart page as well. So, guys, this is how you can hide the quantity selector for a specific product. That's all for today's video. If you liked the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.